Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ford Fusion Bluetooth. First, ensure your Ford Fusion is running and safely in park. Next, grab your mobile phone and navigate to its settings to enable Bluetooth, making sure it is discoverable to other devices. Then, on your car's infotainment system, locate and press the phone button to enter the sync menu and begin the process. Once you are in the sync phone menu, choose the Add Device or Add Phone option. The system will then prompt you to press OK to officially start the pairing process. At this crucial point, return to your phone's Bluetooth settings and actively scan for available devices. You should clearly see Sync appear in the list of options for connection. After selecting Sync on your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Carefully compare these numbers to ensure they match. If they do, confirm the pairing request on your mobile device. Finally, press OK on your Ford Fusion screen to complete the secure connection. Your Ford Fusion will then ask if you wish to download your phone book and message history. You can accept or decline. With these steps, your phone is now successfully connected via Bluetooth. You can now enjoy hands-free calling, receive text messages, and stream your favorite audio directly through your vehicle's sound system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.